All right, number 37, write an equation in point slope form for the line through the point 36 with a slope of 3. So point slope form, y minus y1 equals m, your slope, times x minus x1. The ordered pair has the x1 and y1, and we can see our slope is 3. So when we write our answer, we have y minus the y1 is a 6 equals m is our slope, which is 3 times x minus x1, which is 3. And there's point slope form. All right, so what is the graph of y plus 3 equals 1/3 times x minus 2? So this is an easy one to kind of get mixed up a little bit. First, we can identify the slope. That's always going to be right in front of our parentheses, a positive 1/3. We know this will be an uphill line because of the positive slope. And then the point that's on our line. So if you remember, when we have x, so the x1 is going to be in here with the x, so it's x minus a 2. Our ordered pair is going to have a positive 2 because the x minus x1 is built in. Our coordinates always have the opposite sign of what they appear to have in our equation. So the y1, here's our x1, the y1 is here with the y. That's a positive 3, so that means it's a negative 3 in the ordered pair. All right, so to draw this graph, normally we start with our y-intercept, which we don't have, so we're going to start with this ordered pair. You just have to start with any point on the line. Once you have a point plotted, then you can do your slope. So from the origin, we're going to plot the point. The x is 2, the y is negative 3. So we're going to go to the right 2, down 3. And then from that point, we're going to do a slope of 1/3. So that means we're going to go rise 1 to the right 3. Rise 1 to the right 3. And then to get the points on the left side of your point, we're going to, instead of rising 1, we're going to rise down 1, and we're going to go to the left 3. Down 1 to the left 3. And once you have filled up your graph with points, then you draw a straight line through it with arrows on the end because lines will continue forever in both directions. All right. The table shows the height of a plant as it grows. So we can see our time is number of months and the plant height in centimeters. What equation in point slope form gives the plant's height at any time? Let y stand for the height of the plant in centimeters and x stand for the time in months. So in order to write any equation for this, we will need to find the slope because in this table of values, we don't have the slope. And once we have the slope, we will just pick a point. I can see the point they used has like 9s and 3s. So that's coming from this first ordered pair. So we'll write an equation with that first ordered pair. But first, we need that slope. Slope formula, when we can't just count the rise over run on a graph, using two ordered pairs, it's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. All you need are two ordered pairs. Now, they gave us 1, 2, 3, 4 ordered pairs. You do not have to use all 4 ordered pairs. So just pick 2. Maybe I'll pick 3, 9, and 5, 15. Not 3, 19. What is that? 3, 9, and 5, 15. That 3, 9, there's your x1, y1, and the 5, 15 is your x2, y2. And then all we do is we substitute those numbers into our slope formula. Y2 minus y1 is 15 minus 9 over x2 minus x1, 5 minus 3. 15 minus 9 is 6 over 5 minus 3 is 2, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So we know that our slope is 3. If I look at our options, Option A has a slope of 3. Option B, the slope is 3 halves, slope is 3 halves, or the relationship cannot be modeled. Um, so we're going to look at this option A to see if we agree with how they put in the ordered pairs. So it looks like they're using this ordered pair right here, this 3, 9. So to write that in point slope form, we would say y minus y1, which is 9. So y minus 9 equals our slope, which is 3. So they put that in. Parentheses x minus x1, which is 3, x minus 3. So this option A looks good. All right, so number 40 is our follow-up similar question. The table shows the height of a plant as it grows. What equation in point slope form gives the plant's height at any time? Let y stand for the height of the plant in centimeters and x stand for the time in months. So point slope form, what we need is one point on the line and the slope of the line. So our slope formula, if you have two ordered pairs, is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We just need two ordered pairs, and they gave us 1, 2, 3, 4 ordered pairs. So just pick your two favorite. I don't know, I just tend to pick the two with the smallest. Here is our x1, y1, and here's our x2, y2. So I'm just going to go ahead and plug those in. Y2 minus y1 is 40 minus 24 over x2 minus x1, 5 minus 3. So 40 minus 24 is 16, 5 minus 3 is 2, and 16 divided by 2 is 8. So we have a slope of 8, and then we're just going to pick one ordered pair. How about that 324? There's our x1, y1, and then we can write our answer. We're going to follow this equation, that format up there. So y minus y1 is 24 equals our slope 8 times x minus our x1 is a 3, and there's point slope form.